Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see about the digraph OR. It makes two sounds in different place. In some place, it makes a sound and some place it makes a sound O. So here I have used the British phoneme chart to make the sound to understand better. It is a sound and it is O sound. Let's see few examples on each. D, O, K, it, a, doctor. Here the phoneme symbol I have given is D, O, K, it, a, doctor. Here you would have seen I have not used the sound for R. It is a dropped sound. It is a British phoneme chart. O, it, a, motor. A, k, it, a, actor. D, E, R, A, ik, it, a, director. S, A, I, il, a, sailor. Author. A and U are said to be vowel pair and makes the sound O. T and H are said to be consonant pair and they are sounded as F. And OR is a digraph and makes a sound A. Author, O, F, A, author. So these are some of the example of OR making the sound A. Next, OR making the sound O. F, O, K, folk, and phoneme symbol F, O, K, folk. K, O, in, cone. F, O, foam. S, it. These are said to be consonant pair and makes a single sound st. O, storm. P, O, t, pot. Sh. These are said to be consonant pair, makes a single sound sh. Oat, short. So these are some of the examples for OR making the sound O. So to make the child to write the spellings correctly? They have to remember for OR sound a phrase which makes them to remember the sound. Shut the door. Shut the door is a phrase for the digraph OR. So, for example, if you are asking the child to write the spelling of 4, the child will sound out F correctly and they will write the sound of F. Oak. This here they makes the mistake. O means they write just O. So how to know, make them to understand it is a OR is just you repeat the sound of phrase as shut the door. So keep on repeating, means they know that door OR, they will come out and write the answer OR. And K, they know the sound of K, folk. This is the easy way to make them, especially if they have a single digraph with more sounds. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching.